Welcome to Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Warm greetings from SNS family. This is Dr. J. Vijay Lakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Application. In this video, going to explain about the retirement of partners. So we all know the term retirement. So that retirement may occur due to the willingness or due to the age criteria or due after completing the services. So a partner who cut his connection with the firm is called retiring partner or outgoing partner. We can say that. Retirement of the partner lead to a reconstitute of the partnership firm as a original agreement between the partners that comes to end. The business may continue with a new agreement with the remaining partners. Again, they will reframe the terms and conditions, profit sharing methods, and profit sharing ratios after getting eliminated by the old partner. So, withdrawal of the partnership firm with the concern of the other parties as per the provision of the partnership deed by giving a notice or retirement in terms of the retirement of the partner, a partner who cut his connection with the firm called as a retiring partner or outgoing partner. So the retirement of the partner lead to a reconstruction of the partnership firm. So this business, again it is newly they are going to start. The business may continue with a new agreement with the remaining partners when a partner retires. His share his shares in the firm is to be correctly again it is reassociated and it is settled. So, what are the rights of the retiring partner? So, retiring partner is entitled to get his share of the capital, interest on capital, revaluation profit, share of the profit, etc., up to the date of his retirement. Similarly, he is liable for his share in all the losses like accumulated loss, revaluation loss, drawing interest on drawings, share of current year losses up to the end of the retirement, drawing interest on the drawings, etc. Till the date of his retirement, he is not liable for any losses incurring by the firm after his retirement. So we'll have the adjustment over the retirement and treatment required in the time of the retirement of the partners. So we need to calculate the net profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio. Treatment of the goodwill we need to again adjust. Treatment of the accumulated profit and loss and ascertainment of the profit and loss up, up to the date of the retirement. Next, calculation of the total amount due to retiring partner. Next is settlement of the total amount due to the retiring partner, adjustment of the capital of the continuing partners. These all we need to consider when the person is getting retired. So, how to calculate the new profit ratio and getting gaining ratios at the time of the retirement of the partner? The business continue with the remaining partners. So, in this case, the new ratio and gaining ratio, and it is calculated on the gaining ratio is equal to new share minus old shares. So, difference between sacrificing and gaining ratios we have. So, what is the meaning? The ratio in which the old partner sacrifice and their share of the profit in the favor of the new partner. Next, the ratio in which the continuing partner acquires the outgoing partner's share is called as gaining ratios. So, like whenever the partner is getting retired in the partnership firm, so we have certain rule calculating procedures, treatments, and processing due to the retirement. So at the time of the retirement, the retiring profit claim it's and we can settle his claims and he can claim his the amount whatever is invested till the date of his retirement. So while we are following these methods, the partnership firm will run smoothly on terms and conditions of the partners. Thank you.